This is how it works. First, you enter your data, click Ready Repair, extract, enter the data of your provider, click the button. A few seconds later, when the data is extracted, you click Ready Repair Advanced Area. You have, in this case, 41 disputes. You can mark the disputes you want to dispute or mark them all. Also, very easy. And then you click Print and Print Mark. Your letters will be printed. Then you can also print envelopes, etc. And most importantly, you can learn the program using our avatar and the hands-on training system that tells you exactly what to do in every case, including inside the Ready Repair area. That's all. That's the info. Thanks.